back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to make the most out of the self-help books that you read. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let me tell you what exactly a self-help book is and why you must read them. Self-help books are the books that will help you in your overall personality development, and also these books will help you in transforming and shaping your life. They help you in growing. They will also help you in letting you know what exactly you need in life. They are so empowering, so inspiring, and the way you look at things change whenever you read these kind of books. So make sure you read these books because they have so many benefits on your mental health, on your physical health, because these books are categorized into various types. Like you have books on communication skills, you have books on like improving in your mindset, you have books on your fitness, you have books on health, you have books on how to set goals. So but the question arises here is, how do you read these kind of books? These books have to be read in a very different manner because these are non-fiction category, right? These are not like normal fictions, normal story books where you can read anytime, anywhere, anyhow. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 different tips on how to read these kind of books, how to make the most of these books whenever you're trying to read them. The first important tip here is to start slow, which means whenever you are reading this kind of self-help books, make sure that you read word by word, line by line. Don't be in a hurry to finish off these books because these books need to be understood. The paragraphs in these books have to be absorbed so much into your mind that don't be in a hurry to jump into the next chapter until and unless you finish that one line or one paragraph. Okay, even if it takes like weeks or months to finish one particular book, it doesn't matter until and unless you concentrate properly on that particular page or chapter. And so this one book, that is Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman, this book itself took me like around 3 months to finish off this entire book because this book is totally different from the self-help books which I've read in my life till date. It talks about decision making skills, like how to think fast, where you need to take the right decisions, where exactly you need to slow down in your decisions. So to absorb each and every chapter, it really takes time. So there are not only this one book, there are like so many other books. It might take time for you to read, so make sure that you start. So whenever you are reading these kind of books, what you have to do is try to highlight them, or you can even just to highlight it, or one more way you can do is try to write them down in a journal or just in a plain notebook. These they will help you. See here, I have highlighted few points and I'm gonna write them here in my journal. Embrace your past. This is a line, as you can see it here. See this? Can you see this? Embrace your history because it's the stuff from which legends are made and the legacies are left. So these kind of sentences basically help you, whenever you're going low, whenever you have a bad day, these kind of sentences will help you, will motivate you to stay on track. So make sure you write these sentences and keep a check on these kind of sentences on your everyday basis. I've recently read this book by Brian Tracy, that is 21 Secrets of Self-Made Millionaire, and this is how I have written down whatever I felt is important, be it quotes or even that simplest of the point. I try to write it down because it's so soothing. It will help me a lot in my journey, so I just write it down in this way. I hope you can see this. Is read this kind of books either in the morning as soon as you wake up or before going to bed at night. When you read these kind of books in the morning, books will set the tone for the day, and when you read these kind of books during night, it will help you to sleep properly. You will be at peace during the next important tip is try to reflect, try to analyze, try to self-introspect whatever you are reading. try to apply them in your real life. Try to correlate with the situations that you are living in right now. Whenever you are reading this kind of books and any particular sentence or there is any quote that resonates with your life, try to think, try to put yourself in that particular situation, and then try to analyze if you real improvement you have to do in your life, or if it is stable, or if you have to do any changes, so that these kind of thoughts only will help you to go further. Next important tip is try to reread the same books over and over again. Why? Because there are like vast number of books, especially the autobiographies. These kind of books have to be read several times to understand more and more maximum clarity out of these books. Make sure that you read once or twice. There is this one book that is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, which I read twice because I wanted to understand more and more about it, because this talks about like your mind, that is subconscious mind, and your normal mind, and that has been differentiated in a very clear way, which I loved a lot in this book. So that is the reason I read this book 2 times. That's it for today, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you want to watch more such videos, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video.